nandito po kami sa lavender farm ni Eman. At ngayon meron silang section. Ito yung na-harvest ko na lavender. At meron silang eucalyptus. Oh! What's that? Murag na ay, ano dito sa akong likod? Piling na ako. Ha? Ah! Heaven. Lagi na eucalyptus, no? This is the eucalyptus. Ang eucalyptus na ano na ako karang ani oh. Lagi niya. Pagbata pa. Parang eucalyptus oh. May dalawang eucalyptus dito na ano. Ayun yung eucalyptus na alam ko oh. Ito ibang kanyang ano. So, yun yung lavender farm. Tawa, mura pag lavender day. Murag violet po siya. Ay, owl. So, Chinese ang may-ari nito. Pero ang asawa niya kay ano. Motpad? Ha? Ara ang eucalyptus sa Pinas. Ara. Isag na. Wala. Anong guyani sa ano tuwason. Mas isog na siya.
Magkaiba mo sulit ulit para ito.
Goro. Ilang dahon baligya pod. Ha? Pulang paniglima ito tidak ka. Oh. Look at these.
And the green part, right? So you don't cut below that, you cut above the brown part, like leave 1 to 2 inches, like okay,
1 to 2 inches.
The green, you don't cut it too low, like cut on the brown part. We call woody part of plants. So about you leave like 2 lac of your, just about 2 inches green on there. Okay, so some way longer, some shorter, but just go by this rule.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the English and this is the French. The color you say was slightly different, so you can pick whichever. So for, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. And there has more. This year our fields is small. We are redo them. We're gonna replant. That's why this year we don't even promote our lavender fields.
How about this one? How can you cut this one? Because
there's no brown yet.
There has brown.
Okay.
You see?
So we have to cut here.
So you cut above. For the small size, you need more. Like this one, basically they are still baby plants. So you need more. They all have the brown part. It's just because they are young. You see this, but this one you need more, like 2 sets of new growth like cut here, like about 3 inch.
Okay.
When I talk in general, we harvested the adult plants. But for this, yeah, thank you for ask this one.
Yeah.
This kind of just still baby, but
Yeah.
it's a blooming season, so even they are young, they still send the flowers. Okay.
Great.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of bees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just be gentle with them. Gentle brush, they will go away.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. We also have other product. We will sit on the. We don't have a retail shop yet. We set a retail table under a cupboard.
Oh,
if you
got
are
it.
interested, we make essential oil, lotion, soaps, stuff like that.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Feel free to take photo.
Yeah.
We also have eucalyptus there. So for eucalyptus is $20 per bunch of 20 stem.
Okay.
It's good size bunch. A lot of
But
people
can we
like
just
it.
go there?
Yeah. Feel free to walk around.
Okay. Thank
After
you.
you're done, yeah, come back. I
Yeah.
talk with you.
Thank you. Ang galay mo. Ano ka muna?
Yeah, no video. Video.
Mo siya?
Try po do.
Yan mo, wala mo na.
Bibit pa lang. Ha?
Ano doon?
Wala na dito. Okay. Ito yung mga bulaklak for sale. Color Princess. Ano dito? Lavender Provence. Lysanthum, the rose without thorns. Oh. Mo to eh.
16.2.
9 each. $9 each.
Ano ka na eh?
Oh. Ano naman to sa to? Itong Mickey Mouse? Ito ba? Mickey Mouse. Wow, ang akong ano. Paborito. Ari, saan yung tawag? Bee Balm. Bee Balm. Lemon Balm. Black-eyed Susan. Para ang eucalyptus. Tag $29 din na.
Pare, 5 galon na eh.
Ha?
5 galon.
Tag 69. Okay, ano? French lavender. 1542.
Wala niya ipakuha ang ano.
Hang?
Itong brown kay pili talaga.
Oh. Lemon verbena. Lemongrass, oh. Pilay lang. 750 na natin yung lemongrass. Blue spruce.
Pero itong lemongrass na to, dili man to ano.
Dili siya. Marag native na.
Karang may pako na to.
Yarrow. Straw flower.
Ano yun?
Ha? Lemongrass yun siya. Scabiosa.
Ikaw ba silang bibis?
Asa? Asa may biscuit ya? Asa? Oh, dako na siya. Wishbone flower. Aring wishbone? Ano rin sa ato sagbot? Ari ano? Ito niya. Sweet violet. Ha? Napa sila gulay, palito na ako. Napay ano dire ang bigonia. Pitonia. Mga pitonia. Oh. Hey. Sini oh. Dah lindut kayu oh. Lantern. Okay.